Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be making duck egg fried rice with leftover turkey. Let's get started. First up, we're going to turn on the fire. Get that heating up. Then we're going to crack the eggs. Got 2 duck eggs right here. 2 duck eggs. We're going to scramble that up with a fork. Let's set that aside for a second. We're going to add our peanut oil right there. Get that nice and hot. Make sure that we keep that across the whole pan. We're going to add our clove of minced garlic. Get that browning up. Now that it's starting to brown, we're going to add our egg. Now that's just starting to cook up right there, so we're going to add our rice. Day-old rice. We're going to get that all mashed up and incorporate it with that egg. To that, we're going to add our turkey. Make sure we get that turkey fully incorporated in there. Next up, we're going to add our salt, MSG, and pepper. Finally, we're going to add our diced bell peppers. Let's add that color in there. Then we're going to add some soy sauce around the edge. Mix that around so it gets incorporated in there. And then finally, we're going to season that with some sesame oil. And there we have our duck egg fried rice with leftover turkey. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.